Hi everyone. Right, we had a big Asian session last night. Some nice moves today. If you had done the NPB method, it would have worked on a few pairs. The euro dollar, pound dollar. Euro pound got within 14 pips of the area I said last night. Tomorrow, careful. There's lots of pin bar reversal candles. Same price could change direction temporarily, maybe. Price has gone up or down, whatever pair you're looking at, solidly for nearly 2 weeks now, and price has to reverse somewhere. It has got to come up. So we need price. We need a pullback. I've been on about for a couple of weeks. We're not getting the pullbacks. Well, now maybe we might get a decent pullback. So I'm hoping so. But I have not changed my opinion on any pairs, not yet. We need to wait and see which level they pull back to, and do not do any NPB method tomorrow. Big news day tomorrow, starting with the Aussie dollar out. It happens 2 a.m. in the morning. Have your calendars out tomorrow. There's GBP news, Euro news, American news out tomorrow. So Euro, if you look on the daily chart, you will see a pin bar reversal candle, which is this candle here. Price today stopped right on what we call them. If you go to your monthly chart, you'll see this is the monthly EMA, 200 EMA right around here. This pair has bounced, which is good. We need a pullback, and that's what we're getting. It may only get to 12500. I'm hoping it gets up to 12600 personally, but look for clues on the smaller time frames. But like I said to you, bear in mind this pair has just gone south for 2 weeks solid, so we do need a pullback, and that's a lot of movement for price without pulling back. So just watch that. And if you look, I'll come to the Swissy in a little while. If we go to the pound dollar, you'll see right where it is, 144.75. It's hovering around there now. This is a very big reversal candle here. Price came down 200 pips and has gone all the way back up. It went over about 250 pips down, I think. So if you watch that, do not short here, please. It's right on previous support, pin bar reversal. So this pair could also bounce, which is good. So I would be looking to 14775 area, which would be up around here. Previous resistance, which should provide support, 14800. I would definitely be shorting, but do not short where it is. Wait for it to pull up. It could pull up to 50% of this move. Look for clues in the smaller time frames. I'm hoping it gets up here personally. If we go on to the Swissy, same as the Euro, pin bar reversal. Showing this pair could go south for a little bit. I hope it does. I will look for clues. Looking here at 1177. I'm hoping it gets down to 10900. Might not get down that far, but I will look for clues at those two areas for price to find a lot of buyers, and price will tell you on the lower time frame. So look for that. If we go to the Euro Yen price, if we go to the weekly, on the weekly price cannot close below 113.89. This is now another little reversal pin bar so far. It's a weekly. If we look on the daily, that's a good reversal candle showing the price will go up a little bit. If Euro's going up, this is going to go up. So I'm hoping it comes up here to 117, 118. That's what I'm hoping for. I'm anticipating those levels where I will look to go back in. So watch those levels. If we go to the euro pound on the daily, price came within 15 pips of 86 that I was talking about. If we go down to the 4 hour, you'll see we're in this flag pattern, and this flag pattern could be a nice move down. This is in a little pennant, you could say. I'm hoping we get a fake out up to take us up to 86, 86.50, and then it'll come straight back down again. If not, you'll have a breakout here. So watch those levels there on that pair. Let me look at my notes. Yeah, I think, and that's what I'm looking for on that pair. Aussie dollar, right? Aussie dollar, as I've said to you for a few days, should not be down here, but it is. Pinged right off 87 today again, and has gone back up again. So this pair, for the life of me, it should not be down here. Big Aussie dollar news out tonight at 2:30. And we need some good news to drive it up. Technically, I'm not sure. Every signal is telling me bearish, so I am doubtful. If in doubt, stay out. However, those of you who are interested in this pair, this is what I see. I see price bounced. This here, if we go to the weekly, you'll see it's the 55 EMA. It's bounced off of that. You can see if we go to the daily, price has broken the 200 and come down, so it's trapped. So if price breaks here and it closes below this 55 EMA, it could have a long way to fall. It's only not so long ago we were down at 60. So if it does close below that, the next port of call I would see would be the 200 EMA at 82. We'd have a struggle there. This is if it is going to go south. Forex, nothing surprises me anymore. But I would, if you were looking to go south here, wait for a close below on the weekly of that 55, and then you could be in for a brilliant move. If it closes below that 55, I'm interested in that myself, and that would be a nice move. Bit of wood to chop, but there you go. US dollar CAD, I was on about 104 here. As you can see, it was a confluence area. So tomorrow, if we get back up to 10375.0400, I'd be looking to short there again, and we could go back down to parity on that pair. And if we look at the US dollar yen, leaving it, not for me. Nothing there. Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar, Japanese yen, again bounced off 70. You could say that was 80, 79.97. If we go to the weekly and we look at that, again similar to the Aussie dollar, it won't close below the 55 EMA. My chart won't let me go previous to 2009 for some reason. So look for a close. If you're going to go south, look for a close here first in the weekly before you go south. Again, I'm a little bit doubtful, but technically this is telling me down. Fundamentally it's telling me up. So mixed signals here. Let me just check my notes. Yeah, so alternatively you could wait for it to get back up. Let's go here, let's change that to daily. Alternatively, there was another thing on this. For the life of me, I can't think where it was. Alternatively, you could wait for it to break this 200 EMA, close above it, retest it, go up. But, you know, technically it's looking south to me, and we're technical traders. So that's it for tomorrow. Watch those areas. We could be in for some reversals tomorrow and probably the day after, but keep an eye on those areas.